Hey, Uncle Sex. Ole hari Jimmy. What's fast povie mean?
It's called the piece of cow.
Piece of cow.
Yang nga, or piece of cow.
So what does Oyoba lo leo leo mamoy mean?
It's called the Jesus police the sheep.
Police the sheep.
Jesus police the sheep. Yang nga,
You know, for like the Falalaves, what does CE mean?
yeah, or parang yung si is called the lift.
Oh my God!
So when you go take congas and stuff, it's called the lift.
Bawang nga, or lift.
How about when our family members are leaving at the airport and they take a cooler of stuff like fish and ulu? What's the oso called?
Yeah, or papalang yung also, or the jump.
The jump? That don't make sense either.
Nga, or the jump.
Got him!